Hello, my name is Aljaya Pipalada from DSHM 1D, and today we're going to discuss the Agrarian Reform Agenda of President Duterte. First, the primary aiming the landless farmers and attain rural development through the equitable distribution of all agricultural lands. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte fully support all Filipino farmers and fishers by empowering them to be more prosperous as they contribute their share to ensuring food security and all countrymen. They also provide finance for additional equipment to speed up their farming. Then the evaluation of current land acquisitions and distribution, or the LAD record under the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, or the CARP, and in Republic Act number 9700 sets of June 30, 2014 as the deadline for the issuance of the Notice of the Coverage, or NOC, which is the first legal step in the land acquisitions and distribution, or the land activity. The President Rodrigo Roa Duterte renew commitment to full land reform program implementation. President Duterte renewed his administration commitment Tuesday to pursue the full implementation of Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, or the CARP, as he graced the 31st anniversary celebration of the government's land distribution program. As the President Duterte acknowledged the gains of the DAR in the implementation of CARP in the past 3 decades. He nonetheless stressed the needs to finally accomplish the ultimate goal of the program through the administration's agrarian reform. President Duterte also mentioned areas of concern, particularly the vast tract of land in the Visayas and Mindanao held by wealthy landlords. He reaffirmed the administration's commitment to correct the historical distortion brought about by the misallocation of land that resulted in social injustice and sluggish rural economy. And also the unfinished business, the Philippines Land Reform Program. So the government has so much work to do, even as the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, or the CARP, through the CARP with the Extension and Reform CARPER, ended its acquisitions of private agricultural land in 2014. Also, the Social Justice Program, which aimed to solve rural poverty and attain a more equitable distribution and ownership of land, has yet to continue its unfinished business. In 9 years after the program's deadline, many states continue to be exempted or removed from the long list of CARP-covered lands because of challenges from landowners. Others remain pending on various levels, preventing farmers from occupying and tilling the farmlands they were supposed to own. Meanwhile, in some cases, former landowners regained control of distribution lands as farmers had failed to cultivate them due to the lack of support service from the government. So in the summary of this, it's also under agenda of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Under his leadership, the President wants to pursue an aggressive land reform program that would help elevate the life of poor Filipino farmers by prioritizing the provision of support service alongside the distribution. So he wants to pursue the aggressive land reform program so that he can help to elevate the life of poor Filipino, and by prioritizing the provision of support service alongside with the land redistributions. And the President directed the DAR to launch the second phase of agrarian reform, where landless farmers would be awarded with undistributed lands under the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, or the CARP. Duterte plans to place all all public lands, including the military reserves, under agrarian reform. He also placed 400 hectares of agricultural lands in Boracay under the CARP. And under his administration, the DAR or the DAR created an anti-corruption task force to investigate the handle reports and alleged anomalous activities by officials and employees of the government. And the department also pursue an Upland Zero backlog in the resolution of case in relation to agrarian justice delivery of the Agrarian Reform Program to fast-track the implementation of CARP. I hope everyone understand and learn about this video. Thank you.